Welcome to the smiling coast of the Gambia. I'm David, and alongside my head chef Famara, we're bringing you the absolute best of Gambian cooking. From secret family recipes to bustling local markets, join us as we explore the heart and soul of African flavours. Is it Domoda?
Today is Domoda.
It's Domoda week.
It's a Domoda day, not Domoda week, but Domoda day.
Domoda day.
Of course, yeah. It's
I
a
like
Domoda
that.
day,
Domoda day.
Yeah.
In the morning, a lot of our guests like to have this on toast with some banana and cinnamon.
Yeah. But
Wow.
it is very nice with that also.
What are we going to do first?
Now,
Yes.
I have peanut butter,
Yes.
tomato paste,
Yes.
fresh tomato, chopped,
Right. Okay. Yeah.
garlic.
Oh, that's a lot of garlic, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's not all for this.
Oh, isn't it?
Yeah, no.
Why is it there?
Yeah. Because we have almost
Too much.
Okay.
They might think there's that much garlic in there.
Yeah. Okay.
Is there that much garlic in this one dish?
No.
How much would you say? Half?
Half.
Half. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Boom.
Bam. Acha, we go.
Okay. We have fire.
Fire on the mountain.
Uh-huh.
You need few drops of oil.
Yes.
Just to saute this.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Is this olive oil or vegetable oil?
It's vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil. Okay.
Yeah. Few drop of it.
Okay. I want to hear it. Oh yeah. By the way,
Okay.
and it's not really a complaint, but I was wondering, we've now made a couple of these, and I haven't been given a chef's jacket yet.
Garlic.
Now then.
Okay.
Oh, look at this. Oh, I've got to do
Some
that.
garlic.
I know what I'm doing. Don't you worry.
Yeah.
Crikey, this is quite a big one. Who does this belong to? It's yours? I can hardly,
now
I
you
can
have
hardly
tomato
find
paste.
my buttons.
Tomato paste.
Right, okay, and that one goes over there. Crikey, I'm missing all of this.
Yeah.
I'll be with you in a moment, chef.
Garlic, tomato paste. Hey, come on!
I'm
I got a new chef here.
Oh, that is crazy. I can't see
Fresh
what it looks like.
tomato. After that,
It's going to come prepared. Oh, a bit of water.
Bit of water.
Yeah. That's doing this.
Yeah.
I'll get rid of those for you, chef.
now it has
Oh,
water.
this is. I'm nowhere even close, am I?
Come on.
Yeah, that's good.
Soup
That's
bowl.
good. Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Soup
That's
bowl
good.
in the
So,
Yeah, we are going. So now
yes.
I add some water to it.
Ah, a bigger bowl. That's what I would have gone for in the first place.
Just to dissolve it.
Yes.
You're gonna strain it in.
This is something I didn't know.
Yeah. Then you strain it.
Yeah.
You see? You see? You
Yeah,
see this?
yeah. Did we find gold? So where are we now then? Where are you at?
So now we need to add some water, a little bit, and leave it to boil.
By the way, we should mention, for the benefit of all of our viewers,
Okay.
how long has elapsed whilst you've been cooking this down? Was it about 15 minutes, 20 minutes?
20 minutes.
20 minutes. I
Yeah,
thought 20.
I give it 20
all right.
minutes.
20 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now we put our vegetables in one by one. Cabbage, that's potatoes, and a carrot.
Well, I'm glad
So-
you explained that.
With this, you can put as much vegetable as you like, to your choice.
But you didn't put the pepper in.
That's pepper. That's easy to cook. Yes.
Okay.
Gonna come back.
All right.
Then you will see that it will push the oil also.
Ooh, wow.
Yeah.
It's gonna
Some part, yeah. It pulls. You see,
Wow.
if you can see, it start to come out. Then you can put your seasoning in also. I'm going to put all.
Just all right. Just go a little bit like that.
Season to taste.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right then. Okay.
Yeah.
A spoon for the salt, fingers for the pepper.
Yeah.
These are your techniques. I mean, this is what makes it taste different.
Yeah.
Because every time I've ever tried to cook anything Gambian, it's never actually turned out like you do it. But guys, you're getting the full picture now.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, you're getting the inside story.
Yes. That's it here. So the more it cooked, the more it released the oil, the fat.
Okay. Ooh.
And that fat is very nice with it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
It gave a more taste.
we like fat.
Yeah, of course.
We like fat.
Yeah.
Yes. Of course, it's not always good for us. In moderation.
Yeah. In this moderation.
And you can't maintain a figure like this, of course, eating fat like this every day.
No.
Or this.
But you put your lime in.
Ah.
That cut the fat.
Ah, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it is.
This is why lime is there, and it boosts the taste also of the domoda. Yeah.
I'm not sure the lime does cut the fat out, by the way. But
So that's it now.
how long has this now been reducing since our last?
This is, if you could remember, I said give you.
It's quite a lot thicker, isn't it?
Yeah. Steak now. You see, the oil is coming up because we don't want too many oil.
Oh.
So the more it reuse, the more oil it comes out. So now is the right time to stop it from boiling, so that.
Is this the traditional recipe, or are you just trying to look after my health? Because I know you care about me deeply.
Of course, yes. This is traditional, but sometimes I'm taking care of your health also.
So tell me, how do you prefer to present this dish?
Well, we're going to present it locally.
I agree with you.
Yeah.
I think like local is best,
yeah,
because it is a local dish.
It's a local dish, yeah, exactly. So when it is local dish, just do it as how it is. So now, this is how we normally serve.
Okay, yes.
Rice in the middle.
Yes. Okay. Looks nice rice. What kind of rice is that?
Yeah, this is basmati.
It's basmati.
Yeah.
Is that your preference?
Yeah.
Do you like the brown one or the white one?
No, it's nice with the white one.
I like the white one.
Yeah. Take out your vegetables. Place it on top.
Oh.
Like this. This one like this.
So you've got some cabbage going on, and some carrot, and a little bit of sauce, of course. You're going to put some sauce on later.
Carrot. Some potatoes.
Yeah.
Then you coat it with sauce.
Ah. Oh, it does look good.
Yeah.
Looks good enough to eat. Oh. Oh, but listen, chives just make it better.
Yeah.
I think so.
It boosts the taste also.
Yes.
Yeah. Good. You
Good
see,
job, Chef.
1, 2, 3. You see how it looks like? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, no, that's your vitamins right there.
Yeah. Sorry.
Okay.
Nice done.
Good job.
Thanks for cooking with us today. If you're ever in the Gambia, come and taste Chef Famara's dishes for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with what we should cook next. See you next week from the Smiling Coast.